Guys, welcome back to my vlog. So, kain tayo ng lunch. Late lunch. Sarap. Baliktad na naman yung kutsara nila. Ito. Manghang. Sipon na ako. Yan. Tapos na ako. Kaya sa lahat. Half lang. Ubus kasi marami.
Wala? Kya?
So, Albriang. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah. Done. So, ang weather dito is mainit na malamig. O 1 o'clock in the afternoon. At mamayang gabi, malamig na malamig. So, food vlog rating natin is yung biryani corner. Yung biryani is good. Taste good. Taste parang nasa India ka. You are experiencing the authentic cuisine from India. Yung chicken biryani. Ang rice doon, lahat naman ng restaurant dito is rice is unlimited. Pwede kang order kahit isang planggana yung kanin. Yung manok is okay. Yung gravy is okay. Yung pwede kang order. Yung yogurt, pwede mong ulitin. Pwede kang dumoble. At wag lang yung ulam. Yung rice ay yung chicken or beef or mutton. Yung rice lang, yung mga nabanggit ko lang na pwedeng mong ulitin. Rating ng chicken biryani corner, maybe 10 out of 10. Maybe 8. Kasi hindi naman ako talagang original na Indian or Hindi. Siguro 8 siguro. So,